Hi, my name's Diamond and this is Alex. Where are we today, Alex?
579 Mountain Hwy in Bayswater.
And what's on offer?
4-bedroom house, brick veneer, 2 large living areas, heaps to see.
Why don't we go and have a look?
Sure.
Come on. On entry you will find lovely hardwood polished floors that lead right throughout the home. Four spacious bedrooms. The master has a full ensuite. Two very well spaced living areas, one that overlooks an outside entertaining covered area. This contemporary home is situated on a large parcel of land of 737 square metres. Hope you've enjoyed the tour so far. A great family home. You can add your own touches to it. Close to central Bayswater, public transport and schools. We look forward to seeing you at our next open.
Have a great day.